after this week. We have an hour to do fjord rafting, maybe the one dark ride, and then get over to Poseidon. Can we do that?
Yes.
Oh, this is so smooth.
Okay, rerun. That's a good sign. That's a very good sign. I can tell this thing means business. Just like she heard her complaint. Ready?
Ready. Oh. Okay, that's number 2 in the park. That's good.
I don't know. I think I liked it more than Voltron.
Voltron's better.
Let me get some time. It definitely flattened Mystic. That's for sure.
Way better than Mystic. Oh, Jesus Christ. You good?
I'm good. That was wild.
Oh, everything give you that motion sickness and pulling, it worked.
I also typically fare better on Woody's than I do steel on.
Yeah, the Titan track's good on that. That thing means business. You good?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Looked like you were gonna lose your lunch for a second.
I get it. I am trying to figure out. Actually, yeah, I got this one about Zagra for sure. The ride I got in Zagra felt somewhat tame for an RMC, if I will be honest.
This is the surprise for the trip. Oh my God, the heads move. Look.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's cool.
That is so cool.
I don't know. I think it might be this one. Terry